doing a review on Burano My Nail My Way, and they asked me to do a review, so let's get into this. Sorry about the crinkling. Okay. So just slide off. Okay, it says Burano My Nail My Way. Like I said, this is your present. That's what it's got on for the box. And this is okay. That's the next for that. That's for the replacement insurance. I think I used 2 of them. Now let's see what this is. Burano Glitter Palettes Top Coat. Burano Pearl Top Coat. And the Burano Matte Top Coat. Let's get this box out of the way. Put that over there. And let's get a couple swatches. Let's see. I'll try these swatches here that I had used before. So let's try blue, pink, and the red. Okay, this is the Burano Glitter Palettes Top Coat 7.3 mil, and doesn't have no number or nothing on it. Like I said, that must be just the name of it. Glitter Palettes Top Coat. Don't mind my nails. My nails are kind of jacked up right now. Boy, that was tight, pretty tight. And the box was sealed really, really good. So let's try this. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that is gorgeous. Okay. I'm gonna try this on here. Ooh, look at that. That is so gorgeous, guys. Don't mind a little tabby thing. Okay, there's that one. I'll put that in the light for 45. You can do it for 30, I think it is. But my little light does it for about 45, so let's try this one out. It's the Burano Pearl Top Coat. That is 7.3 mils too. Oh, that's pretty. Let's put this one over the blue. And like I said, these are just swatches that I had, where I done some swatches, so I wanted to see how they work on the color. I'm gonna put that one in the lamp. And then there's Burano Matte Top Coat. Let's see what this one does. I haven't found a matte that I really enjoy yet. I mean, I have found them to be pretty good, but I'm just not a matte person, but I've been trying to find one that looks really smooth and like velvet. So I'm gonna see how these do, and I'm not for sure these might glow in the dark. I'm not real positive, but these are all top coats. Every one of these are top coats. So let's see how this one looks. There's that one with the pink. Oh, that looks so cute. It's got like glitters in it, like a yeah, like a glitter, shiny glitter in it, guys. And here's that one on the blue. That one looks kind of like it says pearl, and they are not sticky. That one's not. Neither is that one. So it's a no white top coat. We gotta wait a few seconds on this one. And let me see if these glow in the dark a little bit. I'm not positive if they do or not. Oh yeah, I think they do. Let me turn this light off over here and we'll see if they glow in the dark. Yes, they do. At least that one does. Oh yes, and so does this one. Look at that, guys. There's that one. There's that one. And there's that one. All right, okay, let me turn the lights back on. And that's, oh, look at that matte. Oh, that is so pretty. I think I might have found a favorite matte, guys. But that's what they look like with just being applied to a color. And that's why I said this one is a glitter, and this one is a pearl, and this one is a matte, and they're all top coats, and they're no white, guys. So yeah, but yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching, and remember, I have a video out that is for a giveaway, so if you're interested in that, go to my previous video and check that out, and follow the rules and get into my video. I'm trying to reach 150, so yeah, thanks a lot, guys. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, and like I said, check out the previous video of mine, and you will check out my giveaway. And if you've been here with me, I so greatly appreciate it. And that's it, guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.